So this week, I had a few conversations with some artists, and I wanted to pass it on to you all. So, as a vocal coach, one of the greatest things that we are trying to achieve is to be able to transition from our high notes to our low notes, from our low notes to our high notes smoothly without cracks or breaks or it almost sounding, I would say, like if you were to think about a standard car shifting, like, then it was like kind of all over the place, right? You went, ah, you want to kind of learn how to take those high notes, those low notes. And one thing, there's multiple pieces at play here. And fundamentals are important. Your breathing, how you're shaping your mouth, all that stuff there. But I will say to artists, when you think about placing low notes to high notes, it's kind of like an elevator, not an escalator. Sometimes we think low notes going back. We don't want that. Even if it's low, I still want to think about that sound forward here. So when you're doing that, from a low note to a high note or high note to a low note, right? I'm exaggerating there. We don't want that. From here, that nice high note to kind of kick back. Sometimes even if you smile, it just comes down to playing with different things, but I hope that helps. We want to think elevator, not escalator.